Parents, children are one of our richest human resources. The increasing recognition of the need for a comprehensive approach to child development and welfare has placed them at the stage. They are one of the crucial sectors in social welfare where the provisional contribution of social workers has gained recognition and given credence to all practitioners. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome the Christian Man's Combination Program year 2012 with Save Pagkain ng Gulay o Galiin Araw-Araw itong ihain. Paliyon ang mga bata. The first part of our program is a doxology to be given to us from Ronald McDonald Legal Center under supervision of teacher Lini Andam. And please remain standing for our national anthem to be given to us, one of our legal workers from Nazareth, two legal workers, Miss J. Marie B. Salye.